We are explorers in a vast and complex universe, constantly seeking to understand its mysteries. Our senses are the instruments that allow us to navigate and understand these intricate realms, providing us with essential information. Imagine life without the ability to see the vibrant colors of a sunset, the hues that paint the sky in the evening, or hear the soothing melody of a loved one's voice, a sound that brings comfort and joy. Without our senses, we would be adrift in a sea of silence and darkness, unable to connect with the world. From the moment we are born, our senses begin to paint a vivid picture of the world around us, helping us learn and grow. The sweet smell of our mother's embrace, a scent that signifies safety and love, the gentle touch of a caress, a sensation that soothes and reassures, the cacophony of sounds in a bustling city, each sound telling a different story. These sensory experiences shape our understanding and define our reality, influencing our thoughts and emotions. They are the threads that weave the tapestry of our lives, each sense contributing to the whole. Our senses are not passive receptors of information. They actively engage with the world around us. They are active interpreters, constantly shaping and reshaping our perception of the world, making each moment unique. Sound, a constant presence in our lives, is more than just noise. It's a language of vibrations that carries information about our surroundings. Our ears act as translators, converting these vibrations into meaningful sounds. The journey of sound begins with the outer ear, which collects sound waves and channels them into the ear canal. These waves strike the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. The eardrum's vibrations are amplified by 3 tiny bones in the middle ear, the ossicles. The ossicles transmit the vibrations to the cochlea, where hair cells convert them into electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain via the auditory nerve, where they are interpreted as sound. Smell, often considered the most evocative of our senses, has a profound impact on our emotions and memories. It's a chemical sense, triggered by odor molecules that we inhale through our noses. When we breathe in, odor molecules dissolve in the mucus lining the olfactory epithelium. The olfactory epithelium contains millions of olfactory receptor neurons. When an odor molecule binds to its corresponding receptor, it triggers a nerve impulse. These impulses travel along the olfactory nerve to the olfactory bulb, where they are interpreted as specific smells. Taste, a symphony of flavors dancing on our tongues, is essential for our survival and enjoyment of food. Our tongues are covered in tiny bumps called papillae, which contain taste buds. Within each taste bud are taste receptor cells, each specialized to detect one of the 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. When food enters our mouths, it interacts with our saliva, releasing taste molecules. These molecules bind to receptors on the taste receptor cells, triggering nerve impulses that travel to the brain. The brain combines these signals with information from our sense of smell to create the complex flavors we perceive. It's a complex interplay of senses and emotions that transforms a simple act of eating into a culinary adventure. Touch, the most intimate of our senses, allows us to connect with the world on a physical and emotional level. Our skin, the largest organ of our body, is a vast sensory canvas covered in millions of sensory receptors. These receptors detect a wide range of sensations, including pressure, temperature, pain, and vibration. When these receptors are stimulated, they send nerve impulses to the brain via sensory nerves. The brain interprets these signals, allowing us to perceive the texture, temperature, and shape of objects. Tactile sensations play a vital role in our physical and emotional development. They help us navigate our environment, protect us from harm, and form social bonds through touch and affection.
While we often think of our senses as being limited to our 5 primary senses, our bodies possess a vast network of sensory neurons that extend beyond the brain, reaching into various parts of our body. One such network, often referred to as the second brain, resides in our gut, playing a crucial role in our overall health. This enteric nervous system governs the digestive process, controlling motility, secretion, and blood flow within the gut, ensuring everything functions smoothly. Recent research suggests that this second brain influences our emotions, behavior, and overall well-being more than we ever imagined. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiota, which are essential for our health. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even brain function, impacting our daily lives. These bacteria communicate with the enteric nervous system, sending signals to the brain via the vagus nerve, creating a two-way communication channel. This intricate communication network is the foundation of what we often refer to as gut feelings, guiding our instincts and decisions.
Our senses do not operate in isolation. They work in concert, creating a symphony of sensations that shape our perception of the world around us. This interplay of senses, known as sensory integration, allows us to experience the world in all its richness and complexity. For example, when we bite into a ripe strawberry, our sense of taste detects the sweetness, while our sense of smell identifies the fruity aroma. Our sense of touch perceives the smooth texture and juiciness, while our sense of sight registers the vibrant red color. Our brain seamlessly integrates these individual sensory inputs, creating a holistic sensory experience that is greater than the sum of its parts. This integration is an active and dynamic interplay, constantly shaped by our experiences, memories, and emotions, which add layers of meaning. Understanding how our senses work, both individually and collectively, is essential for appreciating the complexity and beauty of human perception.